Sync. All right, y'all. Welcome to part 4. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and continue where we left off. All right, yeah. So let's go ahead and continue where we left off with part 4, y'all. All right, so basically, we left off at adding the textures to the lockers, the bench, and the ground. So now we finna add textures to the walls. So we are going to add brick textures to the walls. I'm gonna add a brick texture to these walls. So what I want to do is I want to select this box right here, select the whole box, hit tab, make sure you in face select mode, which is number 3, and then just hit this face right here in the back, right? Now you're going to click this plus sign in the material property. So click that plus sign to add new material. Alright, so we're going to go to the shading tab. That way we can see our material and we can add it. So hit new to add material. Alright, and then we're going to do the node wrangler, where it's Control Shift T. And we're going to find where I saved the brick texture at. So we find that. And I want down brick. Alright, we're gonna select these. And it's gonna automatically place it where they belong. Alright, and paste it to the back wall right here. Oh, yeah, pay attention to this back wall. Alright, so the reason why it didn't show up brick is because we have to click the sign. Alright, so now you see it's a sign, but now the brick is placed weird. So we can bring this image, let's bring one of the brick images in. I can just type it right here, brick. And do the fuse. Right? Do a brick. And then we can hit U and unwrap project from view, right? And then now if we go to mapping, remember how I said go to scale, click, and then hold shift and drag it. Do that and change it to 5. Or let's do it again. Click and drag, change it to 10. Boom. Alright. So we got the wall right there. And let's do the same thing for the other walls. For this wall and this wall. So we hit tab. And now we can just assign. And just hit 3. You can hit U and project from view. Now it is mapped correctly. Let's do the other side. For the material, we're gonna name this brick. Brick material. Okay. Name that brick material. We're gonna click assign on that wall. We're gonna hit Control 3 to left orthographic view. Hit Alt Z, or make sure this is select. Hit Control 3 for left orthographic. Hit U and project from view. Now the lockers. The locker room has its walls, you know. Alright. So the locker room has the walls. Okay. Alright. Now, let's work on, now we can add pipes. So we got our lockers, right? We got that. We got the floor, we got the benches, we got the brick texture. Now, let's add pipes. Alright, so of course I'm gonna put the pipes in the link below. I'm gonna import. Yes. Download. Hit pipes. Industrial power source. What is it at? Trying to find where I saved this guy at. Download. Oh, no. All right, now I can import it again. This is first couple pipes. I'm gonna put these in a collection by itself. So I'm gonna hit M. Let me see, we're gonna name it first group of pipes. First group of pipes. Now it's in the collection. It's on. Oh damn, I already had them. But it's all good. So I already had them. So I delete this. See pipes 1. I'll just delete this right here. I'll delete pipe 1 to keep these. Alright. Let's hide these pipes right quick. Let me delete the, hold on. All right, let me hide those. And let me bring in, some more pipes. Hit import FBX. Go to Echo models. Alright. So we got the other pipes I was looking for. So we got these. These are the ones I was looking for right here. So with this, we're gonna hit Alt P. Clear and keep transforming and clear that parent, right? And for each one we select, let's put the origin back to where it belongs. All right, so right now, I am going to start placing these pipes on the walls. Hit shift and hold shift and right click. That way we can get this crosshair to where we want to be. We're gonna hit shift, selection to cursor, keep offset. And then we're gonna rotate on the R, rotate R, and Z, hit 90. We're just gonna scale that, and then we're gonna move that on the X. Just move it That way you can have this busted up. You scale this down right here. Alright, so I just went into edit mode. Now, just bring this out real quick. So I just went into edit mode. I'm about to duplicate. About to duplicate this piece right here. That way we can go ahead and add it. I'm just clicking L. I'm clicking L as in line. That way it selects the whole piece. And now I'm gonna hit Shift D. Confirm. We'll move it back. Oh, turn off proportional editing. Move it back. We can rotate this. Slide them up. And that kind of like that. And take this. Rotate that down like this. Pull that back out like that. Alright. Now, let's grab some more pipes. Let's grab this one right here. Going back to layout tab. Alright. Shift D, Shift S, selection to cursor, keep offset. Do Shift Y. Rotate on the X, hit 90. Rotate on the Z, negative 90. Hold this in the corner. Scale it down. Move this up like this. Then we can add them pipes in. All right. Now, grab this one. Right now, it's just basically, I'm just trying to design like my own little pipeline for right now. So basically, it's just like matching up the pieces, trying to make everything connect in a way. Like for example, we'll do X negative 180. Yeah, rotate on X. Yeah. And we'll just slide that puppy right here. And necessarily, you ain't gotta connect because the locker room is blocking this. So we could really just add a pipe down here. We can call that a day on this side. Feel me? So let's add a pipe. It's long and we'll add this pipe right here since it's like a long. Alright, so we got this pipe. Hit Shift D. Make sure you object set origin set geometry. You go Shift D. Then Shift S. Selection cursor, keep offset. You're gonna hit R, rotate on the Y, hit 90. Or no, Y. We're gonna hit rotate R on the X, then 90. Then we can just drag this down here. Just scale. Hit tab and hit Alt S to decrease to make it a little skinny. And then now you just place that pipe right here. And you don't really necessarily have to connect this right here because this locker right there blocks it. So it just gives the illusion as if they are already connected. So yeah. When I press play, I'm saying, I like this right here. You know what I'm saying? You see this? You can't really tell because the locker is just blocking that. So now we just got these pipes going. Alright, so we got these pipes going. And now I can really just hit Alt D and rotate on the Z, hit negative 180. We just gonna move this like on this end. We're gonna scale it down. Alright. Now we're gonna turn these groups of pipes off. We're gonna hit M. So these pipes, my bad y'all, I'm just trying to organize right quick. We're gonna hit M, new collection, and then we're gonna hit pipes, group 2. I said pies, wow, pipes. Alright, now let us, I'm gonna start adding some pipes on the ceiling. Well, matter of fact, let's go get the pipe and turn these off. I'm gonna move these pipes in other groups and stay in the scene. Let's do scene. It's called scene pipes group 2. Alright, that way these is in a whole group by itself. And these be in a whole group. Pipe groups 2. So turn these off and bring first group of pipes here back. Now let's grab one of these. I'm gonna grab this. So if I hit Alt D, well, let's do that. I'm gonna hit Shift D and bring it in the scene. We're gonna rotate that on the Y. We're gonna hit 90. Or let's do R, Y, -90. Alright. We're just gonna add this. We can add this pipe right here. Like you be coming, it'll be like run through the ceiling, through the floor type shit. Alright, now we can go to shading and get this pipe, this texture. Alright, so we go here, go to shading, delete this. Do the Control Shift T. Let's go to where we save the pipes. Oh, it's not these, it's these. Yeah. Alright. Bring those in. See, now it's automatically gone. Texture it. I'm gonna rotate this. The reason why I'm rotating because I don't like this little piece. I don't know. It's just, I can show it a little bit like right there. So we're gonna rotate that. And this is more like, this type of locker room is more like a old, busted, rookie locker room type vibes, you know? Like an old little boxing gym locker room. You get what I'm trying to say? That's the type of locker room I'm doing. But y'all can do any type of locker room y'all want. Y'all can just use this as a guide, and then from there y'all can set up whatever y'all want to set up, or how y'all want to set up. Alright. We're gonna Alt D, duplicate, right click to cancel, hit G to grab, and Shift plus Z. That way we can just move it on the X and Y. We just move this in the corner right there. G, Shift, Z. Place that right there in the corner. Just hide some of the mistake wakes. Feel me? Had to bring that pipe back in, bro. Feel me? Alright. Just watching right now. I'm just trying to see how everything gets set up, modeled. I mean, we ain't really model shit, to be honest. We just placing stuff where they need to be, bro. But that's how it is, bro. If you don't have time modeling stuff and people already doing free models, why not use that? Like, just give them the credit and boom, put the scene together how you need to put it together. The whole part of this is just making the scene, making everything come together, making everything look good. If you want to make it look cinematic, which I'm pretty sure you guys do, you can go ahead and do that, make it look like that. if you want to add a character right here, send on the bench. Or if you wanted to add yourself, just have a little green screen. I can teach you how to do all that, bro. This shit easy, bro. This shit sweet, no bakery. You feel me? Just letting it play through. Just make sure I got all my pipes in there, bro. I think I want to add another pipe, this long pipe, like in the middle, just to add a little, what's the word, like foreground. I want to add a foreground. So let's add a pipe. Let's get a little opposite on there. You know, add a pipe right there, add a pipe right here, and then a pipe in the corner right there. So boom, boom, like a triangle. Boom, boom, boom. Just got one in the foreground. Boom, past that, I think I want to rotate this. Uh-oh. Dang, I'm trying to rotate, y'all. Alright, that might be straight. Just hit pipe. Right now, everything is dark because we haven't added any lights. I probably said we was gonna add lights on this video. It'll probably end up being the next one. Right now, we just had to get the pipes ready, bro. Just trying to make sure everything ready before we actually add lights and start making this thing look realistic. Feel me? Let's go back to material properties. Then, I don't know what these are. Oh, I'ma just shit. I'm gonna just click one of these, Shift Control D, and then shit. Where should I put this though? That's the thing. Should I place this like on the floor? I don't know. Nah. I feel like it's just a place. Let's see. We'll just put this right here. And then scale it on the Z. That way it'll fit. Scale it down, scale it on the Z. Oh, gotta move it back. Select this. Hit Alt Z. We get X-ray mode. And select this top portion right here. Just bring it up. Ain't gotta be too perfect, you know. Just as long as it look good in the camera, man. That's all we care about. If it look good in the camera, man, you ain't gotta worry about that. Feel me? Then we're gonna select the bottom portion, hit Alt A to deselect everything. I'm just gonna bring this. Now we just add this to those pipes. Just hit R, just rotate that. Do it like this. Same thing for this one in the back. Hit Alt D, and then G, Shift, plus Z. We hit period, that way we can zoom up on it like that. It'll go straight to it. And then just slide that puppy right there where it belongs. And then rotate on the Z. Shit show. Hit tab. And then we can spread that out some. Alright, shit. Feel me? We got no pipes in that guy. Pipes in that guy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we got those pipes. Pipe wipes. Yeah, we got those pipe those. For sure. And yeah, man. That's how you add little pipes. If you want more pipes, you'll be able to add it. I'm gonna add some more pipes, probably like on this wall too, and the ceiling. And yeah. But yeah, this part was part 4, so we done with part 4. Like I said, in the next video, we're gonna add some more pipes on this wall, left wall right here. This right wall, we're gonna do it on the ceiling. And then we can go ahead and get into lighting, making this thing actually look realistic. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for sticking with me on this channel, man. I'm here for you as you're here for me. So yeah. We gonna stick to it together. Let's do this thing, man. Let's go ahead and broaden the community up. Let's grow it. Let's make a big impact, man. Do what we gotta do. Let's learn this shit, bro. If y'all fuck with this, bro, let me know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because we gonna do some more of scenes together. We gonna spend a lot of time together doing these. And once, I'm trying to tell you, bro, we gonna be, man, you know what I'm saying? We family now. We stuck, fam. We fam. Jutune fam, the Jew fam. I don't know what to call y'all yet, but we hear y'all on the move this. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get back to shit. What time? I got work in an hour. All right, let me go ahead and close this video out. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all so much, man. All the members, appreciate y'all. All the supporters, YouTube, free, paid. All the members that fuck with my art and mess with me, bro. I mess with y'all back, bro. And yeah, man. I'll catch y'all part 5. Part 5, I think. Yeah, it's part 4. I'll catch y'all in part 5. Peace. Good y'all.